not dumb. We're just idiots.
Oh yeah, actually last time we put a backboard. Maybe we should do that.
Oh, good planning. We
Yeah.
planned for this.
Yeah. Do stuff.
Borb.
Bad.
Have fun getting close to the fan.
Well, it's not like I can't.
Fuck you. Bam. Professional braking system.
Yeah. There's also a can of propane right here.
Nice.
Not the foam, not the blowtorch.
A different can. Good, good. I was hoping there'd be. That is foam.
Well, it'll still look nice for the day.
It's gonna fucking die.
It'll be fine.
Oh god, not that sad. Ah, fuck you.
What?
The squeaky, it's bad.
You're bad.
No.
Hey!
Testing its strength.
The fan is supposed to do that.
It was not gonna break the foam.
I think it would have.
Well,
If it yeeted it into the wall again.
I don't know. Now.
Oh, ow.
Rawr, rawr.
Blades must be at least 7 feet from the floor.
Yeah.
That's actually what it says.
One. It's probably 7 of my feet.
Is it to the top of the blades?
Yeah. 3.
Something's fucked.
With this fan? No way. Cruising on down Main Street.
What?
Magic school bus.
I know. Why?
Okay.
Next.
Is it fixed?
Plug in. Well, did you fix? I meant.
You know what? Let's find out.
You were doing it.
Yeah, that I was. Which might mean it's fucked.
I think she good.
Alright, what would be...
Answering machines. Yeah, let's both do one at once. Or at the same time. You know what I mean. Both.
3, 2, 1.
We're in the same spot. Leaving that in. There's a good view of us while we're getting there. I couldn't tell what you were doing. Tools.
Alright. Well, that didn't work.
That was great. Oh, carefully! I almost caught your hand in that.
What?
Your hand was so close to hitting me. I got a new tool. Here, wait. Oh.
That's gonna break.
Throw it.
so
Let me
fast.
smack. No, the speaker, not this.
Oh,
Throw the speaker up and let me hit
I just fucked you.
it. Great. Oh,
Surprisingly well.
I want it to go in the fan though. I can't do this and record at the same time. This should be easier. I'm gonna tennis play.
He's gonna be upside down. Alright.
Oh, this thing is a. Hold on.
Don't mind.
Why are you doing that again?
Cause I can't switch because this hand has something in it.
Oh, alright, I got it.
Fucking 8. Alright.
We found more things to throw.
Professional ping pong player here. With something that's not ping pong at all. If I
bet I can hear the.
If I try and hit hard, it's gonna go through it.
Yeah,
I don't want to try that.
that was good. These get so loose. So
I predict this racket will not work anymore.
this is very loose again. One of those, perhaps, or there's more in here. That's not a flat.
No, but it's smooth. Dory clay. Ow.
I worry a lot.
Never worry about me. I'm not new. That sounds like it's working.
It's not at all.
Nope.
It also needs to be longer.
Yeah, I know.
Or else
Ow! Oh, fuck.
Someone just stabbed me in the garbage with you.
Am I bleeding under this glove? You know what? The gloves are not red yet, so
How about you use one of these?
I just got one of those.
This is the large. Oh, I guess.
Oh, that works too.
thought I had to use a flathead.
Oh, I didn't think we had a long flat.
Okay, time to fix this bitch. Oh.
How did that happen?
I don't know. I don't wanna.
Because I already tightened them. You're doing nothing that I haven't already done.
Clay.
Exactly.
That one moved a little.
This is
A
not.
sacrifice to the fan god.
You want this instead? Oh. I'm surprised it hasn't destroyed itself by now.
We humbly offer all of our shit.
No, I think we just broke it. This is definitely going slower.
Alright, I'm just gonna put it out of its misery.
Wait. I have better things.
I'm surprised it's still blowing apart. I think this will chop it better. Oh. We gotta bend it out a little more.
Wait, what can we just grind shit this way? Oh, that was lame.
Okay, we can at least get an antenna on,
This is a
right?
little, this is a little pathetic now.
I believe in you.
Wait, how about something flat?
God damn it. Hey! I broke it.
Alright, well. That's the end of this fan.